Would you like to unlock your on-screen confidence and say goodbye to camera shyness? We invite you to tune in because it's time to step into the spotlight and embrace the joy of sharing your story through videos. In the age of social media and online content creation, cameras and cell phones act like a new limb to live with. However, many individuals find themselves grappling with camera shyness, a barrier that prevents them from confidently appearing on video. Overcoming camera shyness is not just about conquering fear, it's a journey toward embracing authenticity and finding comfort in one's own skin. This video explores practical strategies to help individuals overcome camera shyness and unlock their full potential in the world of video creation. Understanding camera shyness. Camera shyness often stems from a fear of judgment, self-consciousness, or a perceived need to conform to societal standards. It's essential to recognize that everyone, even seasoned content creators, have faced this fear at some point. Acknowledging this commonality is the first step to overcoming camera shyness. Start small and progress gradually. Overcoming camera shyness doesn't require diving headfirst into elaborate video productions. Begin by recording short snippets or practicing in front of a mirror. Gradually increase the duration and complexity of your recordings as you become more comfortable. Small successes build confidence and pave the way for more significant achievements. Focus on content and message. Shifting the focus from appearance to content can be a game changer. Concentrate on what you want to convey rather than worrying about how you look. A well-thought-out message can captivate your audience and divert attention away from any self-perceived flaws. Remember, authenticity resonates with viewers more than perfection. Create a positive environment. Set the stage for success by creating a positive recording environment. Choose a location where you feel comfortable, adjust lighting to your liking, and eliminate potential distractions. A comfortable setting contributes significantly to alleviating anxiety and allowing your true personality to shine through. Practice breathing and relaxation techniques. Nervousness often manifests physically, affecting speech and body language. Practice deep breathing and relaxation techniques to calm your nerves before recording. A calm and collected demeanor enhances your on-screen presence and helps you project confidence. Number 6, celebrate imperfections. Embrace the imperfections that make you unique. Nobody is flawless, and viewers appreciate authenticity. Allow yourself to make mistakes and see them as opportunities for growth. Over time, you'll realize that imperfections contribute to the relatability of your content. Seek support and feedback. Share your video drafts with friends or family who can provide constructive feedback. Positive reinforcement and helpful critiques can boost your confidence and offer valuable insights for improvement. Remember, everyone has room to grow, and feedback is a vital tool for personal development. Conclusion. Overcoming camera shyness is a personal journey that goes beyond the technicalities of video production. It's about discovering and embracing your authentic self, allowing your unique personality to shine through the lens. Start small, focus on content, create a positive environment, and enjoy the process. In a world saturated with polished content, your authenticity will stand out. Your journey to overcome camera shyness is not just about making videos. It's a powerful exploration of self-discovery and self-acceptance. So embrace the camera, embrace yourself, and let your authenticity become the guiding light in your video creation journey. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more videos just like this.